Hanhe Venus 25 has following functions. 1. One-key takeoff and landing. 2. Automatic programming the flight route. 3. Autonomous spraying. 4. Rotating above the trees. 5. Flight following the shape of terrain. 'Hanhe Venus 25 fogging machine can be activated in the air. With a strong downwind penetrating power, pesticides can be evenly sprayed to the bottom of trees and the fogging effect lasts longer. The strong downwind makes the branches sway greatly. The pesticide is covered evenly at both sides of the leaves.